Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated auto-darkening welding helmets. It goes without saying that you need to choose a reliable automatic darkening welding helmet to shield your eyes from the arc's glare. These helmets include sensitive arc sensors that, when activated, darken the glass to protect the wearer's eyes. In this video, our team of specialists have compiled a list of the 7 top auto-darkening welding helmets currently on the market to help you choose the one that'll tick all the boxes on your list. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the auto-darkening welding helmets that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the Antra Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The Antra is ideally suited for industrial applications since it provides complete protection. Abrasive wheels, plasma cutting, and stick welding are just a few of the many applications where this machine excels, and it's used in a wide range of industries. In terms of size, the unit measures 9 by 9 by 12 inches and weighs 1 pound. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Antra Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: maximum shade. The helmet features a passive filter that shades your eyes from all ultraviolet and infrared light. It's also combined with a double-layered auto-dimming LCD shutter. Lightweight. The helmet's extremely lightweight prevents head and neck stress to allow for hours of work. Premium arc sensors. The 4 arc sensors ensure high responsive detecting and controlling while providing super fast switching time and precise automatic shading to minimize any harmful radiant bypass. False triggering system. The interference suspension technology makes this helmet less sensitive to sunlight and workshop lights while keeping its responsiveness to welding arcs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is battery charging requires disassembling the entire helmet, but do note that they'll last for an extremely long period. The second auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the YESWELDER Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The YESWELDER is highly versatile, allowing you to toggle its modes from welding, cutting, or grinding. This makes it the ideal choice for metal inert gas or metal active gas, tungsten, inert gas, or electrode welding methods. In terms of size, the unit measures 12.5 by 7.9 by 9.75 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the YESWELDER Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: True Color technology. This preserves the optical clarity rating and improves visibility by reducing the lime green tint. Widescreen view. The large viewing area of 3.93 by 3.66 inches gives you a full range of vision. Ultraviolet and infrared filter. This allows you to continuously perform your task either with or without power. Maximum comfort. The headgear comes with an oversized comfort cushion that provides convenient adjustability settings and an overall improved support. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the helmet can fog a lot if you're welding in the cold. The third auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the Optrel Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The Optrel delivers true color vision when welding. This ensures a practically unclouded and extremely clear field of view for maximum accuracy. On top of that, this helmet also protects against smoke, aerosols, and dust. As for the size, the unit measures 11.02 by 10.79 by 9.95 inches and weighs 1.72 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Optrel Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: crystal lens technology. With a Shade 2.0 light state, you'll be able to see the welding process in full clarity. Autopilot feature. This detects the arc brightness and automatically adjusts the shade level based on the changing light conditions of your welding process. Twilight feature. This gradually lightens the lens when switching from a dark to a light state to keep you from eye fatigue. Sensitivity adjustment. This allows you to change the lens switching sensitivity for various ambient light conditions indoors or outdoors. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the grinder indicator is a bit hard to notice unless you are closely looking at it. The fourth auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the Miller Digital Infinity Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The Infinity series sports a minimalist design while offering a range of functions. It is basically a redesigned headgear with an oversized comfort cushion that provides convenient adjustability and maximum support. In terms of size, the unit measures 12 by 12 by 10 inches and weighs 3 pounds. Trusted ShopGuide.com has awarded the Miller Digital Infinity Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: clear lens technology. A broad range of colors on the visible spectrum delivers the most accurate and realistic tones possible. Maximum visibility. The helmet features a 13.4 square-inch viewing area, which is wide by any standard. 4 arc sensors. These independent sensors ensure superior lens response time for obstructed or low-ampere welding. Highly versatile. The InfoTrack technology features arc time timing, timer functions, and a help menu for 4 modes of digital versatility to tackle a range of welding and cutting applications. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product are: the helmet is heavy and tends to roll down the top of your head if you have a relatively small head size. The digital infinity lens isn't compatible with the standard helmet, so you won't be able to swap it into some models. The 5th auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the ESAB Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The unique shell design of the ESAB Sentinel A50 welding helmet utilizes high-impact resistant nylon, ensuring optimal durability and longevity. We would like to note that its extremely wide view front cover lens comes standard in both amber and clear. In terms of size, the unit measures 21.65 by 13.78 by 13.78 inches and weighs 4 pounds. Trusted ShopGuide.com has awarded the ESAB Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic features. This is backed by its infinitely adjustable 5-point headgear that provides extreme comfort and balance. Low-profile design. This ensures maximum head clearance when the helmet is in the up position. Easy to use. The helmet features a high visible color touchscreen control panel with 8 separate memory settings and an externally activated shade forward grind button. Hard hat adapter. This allows you to pair the unit with the ESAB hard hat just in case you want to purchase one separately. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: pressing the grind button can be a chore since it requires you to remove the head straps first. The unit is a bit expensive, but its features define its high price. The 6th auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the 3M Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The 3M helmet is ANSI certified and meets impact standards that ensure maximum safety and security in the workplace. Thanks to its ergonomic adjustable head suspension, you'll work with maximum comfort, head stability, and even weight distribution. It's also worth noting that the helmet fits 6.25 to 8 head sizes. As for the weight, the unit measures 1 pound. Trusted ShopGuide.com has awarded the 3M Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: advanced optics. The auto-darkening filter ensures extremely realistic colors for precise viewing. Ease of use. The helmet features external controls that enable you to toggle its settings even while your gloves are on. 2 memory modes. With its push-button access, it allows you to set its automatic darkening filter for darkness shade, its light to dark switching sensitivity, and its dark to light delay. Automatic on technology. This allows you to grab your welding helmet and get to work as quickly as possible by turning to the last setting used. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: you need to constantly tighten the knob in the rear when it gets loose as you work. The 7th auto-darkening welding helmet in our list is the Lincoln Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Lincoln Electric's optics, productivity, and comfort make it the ideal tool for the job. The helmet guarantees that there will be no usual lens flaws like blurriness or distortion while working. On top of that, the lamp maintains its brightness and efficiency even when tilted. In terms of size, Lincoln measures 12.6 by 10.6 by 10.4 inches and weighs 3 pounds. Trusted ShopGuide.com has awarded the Lincoln Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high-quality optics. Using 4C lens technology, the unit creates an extremely clear and realistic color view of the arc and paddle. Large lens. The 12.5 square-inch automatic darkening lens ensures a sizable field of view to increase productivity in all applications. Maximum comfort. The unit contours to the user's head to evenly distribute its weight across the 6 key contact points. This improves balance, eliminates pressure points, and ensures a personalized fit. Easy to use. The headgear features a low-profile external grind button that enables you to quickly switch between its grind and weld mode without you needing to remove the helmet or your gloves. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: the unit is best used with a welding cap since your hair might get tangled inside it. And there you have it, folks. Our 7 highest rated auto-darkening welding helmets, which got our team at trustedshopguy.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next auto-darkening welding helmet roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the trustedshopguy.com again soon.